Alright guys, imagine if you could turn back time on your age whenever things got rough. Sounds insane, right? Well, this creature does just that. Today we're talking about the sea walnut, aka Nemiopsis ladii, a comb jelly that's literally rewriting the rules on aging. Yeah, you heard that right. It's got a bizarre superpower that lets it Benjamin Button its way back to its younger self. Let's get into the wild details of how this sea creature ages in reverse and why that makes it a survival machine. So picture this. The sea walnut, when stressed, like when food's running low or it's injured, shrinks down into a tiny blob, almost like it's going into survival mode. But here's where it gets crazy. It doesn't just stop there. It actually starts looking like its baby self. Those iconic tentacles it had as a larva, they grow back. It's like it hit rewind, transforming from an adult stage, called labate, back to an early larval stage, known as cytipid. And then, when life's good again, food's back on the menu, no more injuries. The sea walnut doesn't stay a baby forever. It flips back to its adult form and is ready to reproduce again. It's like a reset button that lets it handle stress, conserve energy, and bounce back even stronger. Now, we're not saying the sea walnut's the only Benjamin Button in the ocean. Ever heard of the immortal jellyfish? Turritopsis dohrnii can also rewind to an earlier life stage, but it takes it to another level by transforming at a cellular level. It's almost like it's rebuilding itself from scratch. The sea walnut, though, it keeps its unique identity, just turning back its development a notch without totally transforming. It's like going back to a past version of yourself, but still remembering everything you've been through. Let's talk survival. This reverse aging trick isn't just for show. It's the ultimate hack for survival. Imagine being able to hang tight for weeks in ship ballast water, surviving without food. When this jelly gets hungry or conditions get sketchy, it reverts to a form that needs less energy. And by going back to a larval stage, it gets access to a whole new way of eating. Its little tentacles come back and boom, it's ready to scoop up whatever it can find. This adaptation has helped sea walnuts invade new territories like parts of Europe and Asia. They've become so successful because they can adapt super quickly, even to environments where native species struggle to keep up. Here's what makes this even wilder. Sea walnuts belong to one of the oldest animal lineages on Earth, maybe even older than the split between animals with backbones and those without. Their ability to age backward gives us hints that reverse aging might have deep evolutionary roots. If creatures like the sea walnut have this ability, who knows how many other ancient animals might have had similar tricks up their sleeves. For scientists, this opens a whole new frontier for studying aging, regeneration, and flexibility in the animal kingdom. The way the sea walnut reverses age without totally changing itself could even help us understand new ways of tissue regeneration, which is huge for medicine. So there you have it. A creature that ages in reverse, adapts to anything the ocean throws at it, and takes over new environments like it's no big deal. If you think this is as mind-blowing as I do, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts on this epic survival hack, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content on the weird and wonderful mysteries of nature. Catch you next time. Stay curious.